So here we are demonstrating the Karnak 19 Ultra Rubberized Flashing Cement. This flashing cement is a great everyday flashing cement for dry surfaces when you're needing to make repairs. But what we're demonstrating here is actually making a repair to a wet membrane. What I have here is just a wet piece of granular SBS, and we're demonstrating how easy it is for someone to actually use the product. So if you have a repair you're needing to make while it's raining outside, you can use this, or if the repair is underwater, you can use this product. The first thing you really want to do when you're using it is you want to get all the dirt off, because there's probably dirt on this roof. So take a stiff brush, scrub the area that needs to make the repair to get all that dirt floating in the water, and then you're able to take the 19 Ultra and actually put it right down into the clean surface, the nice surface you wiped off. And as you can see, this material actually sticks to a wet surface. Now what it's doing is it's not actually sticking to the water. What it is, it's displacing the water. So it's able to push the water away so that you're actually sticking directly down to the asphalt surface. So if you're fixing a crack and you're sealing that over, the first step is with putting the flashing cement down, and then next you want to make sure you use some fabric reinforcement. You always want to use fabric reinforcement when you're working with sealants. This helps bridge cracks and gaps that you're trying to seal over, and then you're also able to make sure that the flashing cement is sealed, and you're going to make that crack where it's going to be watertight. So you take the fabric, and I have in my hand that was fiberglass membrane, just black fiberglass membrane. You can also use our asphalt saturated cotton fabric. So you're going to put that in there, make sure the fabric lays flat into that flashing cement, and then you're going to take the 19 Ultra and put another layer on top. And the idea here is you're kind of making a sandwich. You're taking that flashing cement, spreading it where the fabric is in between, and you're able to seal it and protect that area there. Now this will cure out through the water. It'll also cure out if the water evaporates, where you have a permanent repair there, and you've made that to an asphalt roof. This is for any type of asphalt roof, whether it's smooth surface asphalt or smooth or granular modified bitumen membrane.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.